मात्र 3 अक्षर, लेकिन इतना दम कि दुनिया को हिला दे। टेक्नोलॉजी के किसी भी क्षेत्र में देख लें, एक ना एक आईटीएन जरूर कुछ ना कुछ करता दिखाई देगा। बेशक सो ही क्यों ना रहा हो। वैसे इन्हें सोते हुए भी सोचने की आदत है। ओल्ड हैबिट्स डाई हार्ड। चाहे देश की वाटर प्रॉब्लम पर ध्यान दे रहे हो या पॉलिटिकल प्रॉब्लम पर, इनकी ऊपर की मंजिल हमेशा टिक टिक करती रहती है, बिना रुके, हर सवाल के जवाब की तलाश में। ये तलाश इन्हें और उस जमीन को जहां कभी इनकलाब की आवाज उठी थी, दोनों को कहां से कहां ले गई है। आईआईटी उस जमीन से निकला है जहां आजादी का लहू बहा है। आज वो आईआईटी उस जमीन से कह रहा है, जो आसमान देख लिया वो हमने छू लिया, जो आसमान देखा नहीं उसे बना दिया। आईआईटी मात्र 3 अक्षर।
Today we had the first ever Women IIT alumni event. There have been small events before, but this was the first time that all the IITs came together. We had a whole day event sponsored by Google. And
The energy level is pretty amazing, and it always is at the IITs because, again, these are people who are high energy, who've done extremely well in life, whatever field they're in, whether it's business, academia, and so on, research, etc. So when they come over here, the level of energy is extremely high.
Hi, I'm Ramneek Bhasin from 1981 Kanpur. Yeah, I mean, we've got a little pool going on. We think we'll have about 15 or so from Kanpur, from my batch, that are going to show up. And I'm hoping to win that pool because I'm betting on 15.
I think, first of all, right, like if you look at having been an IIT and having succeeded as an entrepreneur and as a VC, I want to give back to the IIT community.
This is the management school that we are supporting, and I think this is our way of giving back to the community that has given us so much. Both Raj and I came to the US with $21 and a great education, and I think we have been very successful, and it is our way of saying thank you and giving back to what we have achieved.
Okay, I'm Raj Shah, IIT Bombay, 78, Hostel 3.
What brings you here, Raj?
Network with a lot of people. Actually, more than that. I mean, I'm part of the organizing committee. So we started organizing this about a year ago. But the key motivation, or the key fun part, we talked about Google engineers and research scientists coming to IIT and teaching for a day, teaching for a week, teaching for a semester. We talked about Google engineers getting involved in some research.
This is a wonderful opportunity to meet all our friends and also all the classmates and professors, mingling with them and understanding what is really happening. IIT being a premier institute, there is a lot of research and development taking place.
Is one aspect of it, but at the same time, since I work for a venture capital firm, one of the things is looking for more and more entrepreneurs. And since IIT is a vibrant community creating more and more startups, that's something which interests me a lot.
So she says, I like one thing about Bombay, which is bindas. Right? So that's how even IIT Bombay is different than all the other IITs.
Well, I think this conference, and it's been going on for a while, is an excellent opportunity to network with your fellow IITians, which is like a kin and like family to us, because the 4 years you spend in IIT are, and if you ask most IITians, one of the most defining periods of their lives.
Yeah, my name is Sanjeev Sahai, IIT Kanpur, 1977 batch. Well, we founded Pan IIT here in 2002 when I was the global president of the IIT Kanpur Alumni Association. So fortunately, almost all the alumni presidents were in the Bay Area. So we got together and said it would be nice to work together. So Pan IIT was formed as an umbrella organization of all the alumni associations.
Sure. You know what? When I left IIT, my fun was over. So I was doing all the serious stuff of studying, working. Then when I learned about this IIT event, I thought, why not go and join the fun and restart it again?
Networking for sure. That's one of my prime factors. Recruiting. I work at Google now, so definitely recruiting is a big thing. And looking forward to all the keynotes, especially to Hillary Clinton.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, meet a bunch of friends. I mean, I've lost contact with a bunch of guys from IIT. And of course, find out what others are doing. And actually, the conference program is also quite impressive. So I'd like to attend a few sessions.
And of course, and more than anything else, actually networking and getting to meet the other people.
I think the most memorable experience is to meet many of my classmates. That's one of the biggest reasons we get together. It's very difficult to find time to get everybody's schedules organized and get together, and this is a natural place for us to get together.
And obviously the desire is to give back something. We got a world-class education at the undergraduate level many years ago for almost no money. So, we've been able to leverage that into a lot here in the US.
I think what I'm looking forward to the most is seeing what kind of new initiatives the Pan IIT group, which is this network of IIT alumni, who are probably the most influential and probably the ones with the great future in front of them. What can they do in order to transform India, in order to improve kind of the reputation of education in India, and kind of, just generate the next set of leaders from the Indian subcontinent?
Getting to know more of the people from the other IITs, for example, or getting to know people from my IIT also, but people of a different generation than when I graduated.
Trying to help out in a conference, getting to meet old alumni, getting to meet your batchmates, that's kind of the main motivational factor right now.
Well, I'm very passionate about IIT. I had a wonderful time at IIT. I owe a lot of my career success to IIT Bombay, and I feel the least I can do is give as much back as possible.
For example, today we had a conference and we talked about how IIT Kharagpur has created this advanced VLSI lab as a center of excellence. Over the last 4 or 5 years, few people have got together and created this center of excellence, which is a global quality center of excellence. Now today we discussed how we create more such centers of excellence in more IITs.
I'm engaged by a lot of things, but perhaps the thing that I'm most passionate about is helping to galvanize alumni across the world to be able to